Trees are basically, they're like a whole nother planet within the planet. It's covered with bacteria. It's got animals burrowing inside of it, and there's this whole cycle that goes on when when a tree dies and it decomposes, and then future trees use the nutrients of that organic matter to build themselves, basically.
Searching the entire line for dead trees would take way too long. I decided to constrain the area where I would be observing. Within this area, I found a rotting maple tree and hundreds of rotting leaves. When a tree is living, it produces leaves, which are basically naturally formed solar panels that take in light for photosynthesis. Conveniently, when the leaves have reached the end of their lives, they fall to the ground and break down. This releases nutrients into the soil, which is used by the same tree as well as other surrounding trees. Eventually, the tree will fall and slowly but surely decompose. It can take hundreds of years for a single tree to decompose completely. To speed up the process, I collected some leaves and wood scraps to put under a warm lamp in my room. I found that the soil was almost completely dry and would not sustain decomposition. Just like any living organism, microorganisms and bacteria, which break organic matter down, need water to survive and thrive. Hot and humid climates are the best for decomposition. The leaves and wood that I left to decompose for a week aren't completely broken down yet, but have definitely made noticeable progress.
In the rainforest, when the tree dies, well, in any forest when a tree dies, but especially the rainforest, it may be technically dead, but there's a whole lot of life going on in there. That tree will stand for sometimes hundreds of years before it goes down, and there will be insects and other organisms taking refuge in it, feeding off of the organic plant matter, as well as taking refuge inside of it, just as a shelter. That's a pretty cool thing. It dies, but its legacy lives on.